Ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Vice Mayor Chi Atienza and our Honorable Francisco Isko Moreno Domagoso. Kasama rin po ang ating Police Brigadier General Arnold Abad, our District Director.
Hindi ka mo mag-party, ha? Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you for your time, and I always like to lagi kong binibigyan ng diin at pasasalamat ang ating mga friends in the media helping us informing the general public, the people of Manila, on the effort, continuous effort to keep the peace and order situation in the city. Kahit bagyo, kahit gabi, kahit araw, through the leadership of General Torre, Chief AFP, and the leadership of our District Director, General Army Abad, and the men and women uniformed personnel of the City of Manila, the headquarters, SMART, and the respective station commanders. Today is a new day again for the city. I have here also the Vice Mayor, Vice Mayor Chi Atienza, and Colonel Destura, Chief of Staff of General Abad. And welcome to our regular meeting of our own little way, our own little effort to really put things in right order or perspective in regard to unnecessary or what we call criminal activities in the city of Manila. Today we're presenting you the following suspects under warrant, and the most famous, the group doing things, committed crimes against property in the city. Sikat na sikat to. Layo kayo ng konti, baka madurahin kayo. Amen. Here, Kurt Russell Del Rosario, alias Russell, top 4, district level, statutory rape, Pandakan Police Station number 10. Si Russell. Si Russell ay may arrest warrant with criminal case number R-MNL-MNL-04220-22-SIA issued by Honorable P. Maria Barrias, Class 8, Presiding Judge, Family Court, Branch 6, Manila, dated June 25. No bail recommended. Number 2, Nino Cortez E. Branzuela, alias Kuya No, alias Nino, Top 7 Regional Level, RAID, District Police Intelligence Operation Unit, DPIOU, under the, again, supervision of General Abad. Warrant of arrest with criminal case number R-MNL-18-1042-85-CR, issued by Honorable Marister B. Quintana, presiding judge, Regional Trial Court, Branch 48, Manila. No bail recommended. Another arrest, Jaco de la Cruz, San Basilio. Number 3, Jaco de la Cruz in Cabasares, Top 5, District Level, murder by Barbosa Police Station, Precinct 14. Warrant of arrest issued by Honorable Barry Boy Ariola Salvador, presiding judge, Regional Trial Court, Branch 185, under criminal case number R-RMNL-25-05-268-CR. No bail recommended. Jaco. Number 4, Van Ian Valdemar E. Labadero, Top 1, Station Level, kidnapping. Dahil Santa Cruz Police Station, Precinct number 3. Arrest warrant issued by Honorable Isagani Gomez Calderon, presiding judge of Regional Trial Court, First Judicial Region, Branch 8, La Trinidad, Benguet. Dalit-salita po ito'y nagtago sa Maynila. Dito po namahay. No bail recommended. Mariling Ponce E. Artajo, Top 2, Station Level, violation of Section 5 and 11, Article 2, RA 9165. Sabihin, nagtotrumpeta po ito. Presinto 13. Warrant of arrest issued by Honorable Grace P. Chavez P., presiding judge, Regional Trial Court, Branch 177, Manila. No bail recommended. Ito na po yung panglima, or what you call the Dura-Dura Group. Kung maalala nyo yung mga nagpa-viral, nag-videoan, ng araw sa Lyceum. Ito, may style lang. Sabihin, may dura ka. Kasi PT ka, sasalis ka. Ito yung grupo, hindi lang po isa. Alos buong grupo. Arrest. Rapi Boy de Dios Sierra. Randolph Dato E. Parel, Kyle Roby Cachiler Maduli, Jomar Tarnate E. Tanyahura, Danilo Rosales E. Mojica. Maria Cristina Doseño E. Bruno. Ayun yung kumpinan. Saan yung kumpinan? Yun, 5. Ako paduduraan yung way up. Ito, may complaint. May complainant sa basura nangyari. Plus the fact na nagkakaroon ngayon ng maraming insidente sa Maynila. Snatching, yan, sa Lisi. Nung araw, tawag lang namin dyan sa Lisi. O kaya, budol. Mamubudol. But at least, I am happy to report to you sa ating mga kababayan sa Luzon na itong mga kriminal, magtago man sa Maynila o tumakbo man, ginawa nila yung krimen sa Maynila, hahabulin natin sila. At yung mga crimes against property, katulad nung halimbawa, may isang lumapit dito nung isang araw, nahanap na yun. Nagbakasyon lang yung pamilya. Pagbalik nila, puso yung bahay nila. So, rest assured to our people in the city of Manila, in our own little way, through the leadership of General Abad and the men and women uniformed personnel of the city police or Manila Police District or Philippine National Police. We'll do our best. If we can prevent them, I think yun, pang gold medal. But if we cannot prevent them, we assure you, mamamatay sila ng puyat or walang tulog. Yun ay kamamatay din. Dahil hindi po kami titigil hanggat hindi sila napasa sa ilalim o napapapanagot sa mata ng batas. At ibibigay namin sa husgado yung para masabi kung sila may kasalanan na wala. But for the meantime, we assure you, hindi kami magpapahinga, lalo na nag-uusap na kami ni General Abad kahapon, sabi ko pare, itong sa lakas ng bulan na ito. Maraming saradong negosyo, kami yung mga Colombians, mananamantala yan. Style yan. Kaya naiintindihan niya dahil si General Abad, taga-Maynila rin. Basang-basa niya rin naman. So, in our little way, kami, trabahuin natin. Panagutin natin sila. Yan po yung dura-duragan. Kahit ano pang pangalan ninyo sa mga grupo ninyo, sa mga sarili ninyo, you are not welcome in the city of Manila. Our people deserves better things. Our people deserves to have a peaceful community. Panatag na pag-uwi. As we committed to our people. At hindi kami mangingibig na iparada kayo ng iparada rito. At the very least, to inform the public that things are being acted upon. At kami naman magsisikap lagi. Tulog-tulog ang inyong PNP at ang pamahalang lungsod ng Maynila. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your time. You may now ask questions to particular officers or maybe in my own little way. Kung meron kayong katanungan sa amin ni Vice Mayor, sagutin namin kami nila. Thank you for your time.
Good morning, Mayor.